Tonight I'm making some chicken breast with veggies and rice with gravy. I'm going to show you how I make it. Here are my ingredients. I have gravy, I have some basmati rice, garlic paste, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, butter, salt, olive oil, and one of my favorites is the roasted garlic and herb. And here I have my seasoned chicken breast and my flour. Place my chicken into my flour and put it into the olive oil and just lightly fry. I'm going to just saute your veggies so they look like this. Gravy. I'm going to turn up my fire to a medium heat. Add some French onion soup. All-purpose. A little bit of salt. Just want to mix up your gravy.